Welcome to our tomato ketchup production facility.
Everything is clean. Yeah.
Look how perfect these are.
Yes, they're ready for the next stage.
The sensors scan each tomato for defects in size, then the robotic arms sort them.
In here, the tomatoes are crushed into a smooth pulp. In here, the tomatoes are crushed into a smooth pulp. Our operators monitor every step closely. Our team carefully stirs the mixture.
Now we add essential ingredients like sugar, vinegar, and salt. We balance the flavor to perfection.
This gives it its signature taste and color. This removes any remaining seeds or skin. Our lab team performs detailed testing. Approved ketchup moves to the filling line. Each bottle is filled with the perfect amount. Our workers supervise every detail. Caps are applied and tightened securely. Labels are added to every bottle. They are stacked and moved to the warehouse. Loaded and ready for delivery. From our factory, straight to your supermarkets and local retailers.
Wow, this is so nice.